What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're going to be doing a drop test on the iPhone XR. This is the budget version of the iPhone. And given the fact that it has a little bit bigger bezels, I'm really curious if it's more durable than the iPhone XS. Now we'll be drop testing this bad boy until it breaks, and then we'll be smashing the crap out of it, and we'll be recording this with the ultra slow motion phantom camera. This thing shoots up to 18,500 frames per second. It's going to be freaking epic. Let's get started.
Drop number one. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, gotta love dropping a fresh iPhone.
There comes that iPhone XR. Kaboom! The bounce. Ooh, the water droplets. You can see little bits of rain falling. That is super cool. All right, here it is. Looks good. No cracks as far as I can see right off the bat. The metal did get indented just a little bit, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and go for drop number 2. Here we go. Let's see if it can survive longer than the XS. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's so scary. Here comes that XR for drop number 2. Hits, bounces. Did I see glass? No. Okay. I think it's okay. Based on the slow-mo, I think it's gonna be okay. Let's go check it out. Here it is. Glass on the front and back. Still looks okay. Looks like we had our primary impact point right there this time. Almost got the glass. Just that edge, that bezel, took the impact. Very good. All right, on to drop number 3.
In 3, 2, 1.
Here it comes. Top right corner. Hits. The water droplets fly off the XR. I wonder if the flop over actually broke it and then it went to rest on the broken piece from the XS. That was a solid impact. I think the main thing is it flopped down onto the screen. So did it survive the consecutive flop? Let's go find out. Here we are. Did the front survive? Ooh, looks like it's okay. But wow, that is a gouge. The phone is still functional, thank goodness, but I would not want that on my phone. Drop number 4. 3, 2, 1. Oof. Here it comes on the top left and boom, impacts, and whoa, you can totally see the reflection of the concrete really clearly as it lands and bounces. Yep, that one actually looks a lot better. The scuff mark on it is not nearly as bad. So far this is holding up pretty good. 4 drops in and doing all right. Now the iPhone XS died on the 5th drop. We're gonna go ahead and see if the iPhone XR can survive the 5th drop and keep on going. But before we do that, a quick word from our sponsor. This episode is brought to you by Bounty. Bounty is a new platform that allows fans to give input directly into the video ideas of their favorite content creators. Now, GizmoSlip will officially be launching on Bounty as of today when this video is released. The really cool thing about Bounty is that you, the viewers, get to decide what content you want to support and have made next. I think Bounty is a really cool way for you guys to get directly involved with my content. I get tons of video suggestions each month, but it's so hard to sort through them. This is a way for you guys to really help the best ideas come to the top. Also, the production costs of doing some of these ideas might be a little bit more than normal. Like, I would love to get a wrecking ball, but renting a wrecking ball is really expensive. So by doing Bounty, maybe we can get that video idea funded. Plus, you get really cool rewards like your name being included in the video and even potentially getting a signed destroyed iPhone in the mail after the video is done. So here's how it works. There are a number of bounties, which are the video ideas that may get produced, and you put your money towards whatever ideas you think would be the coolest to see. Now, these bounties can be put up by me, the creator, or by you, the viewers, and you viewers get to decide which of the bounties get funded. And just to be clear, if a video is never created, you get refunded your dollars. So if you put $5 to an idea that is never created, you get that money back and you get to choose a different idea that you want to put it towards instead. Now, there are 2 main ways of supporting creators on Bounty. First is a single one-time donation towards a video idea, and second is a monthly recurring credit that you can apply to any bounty each month. If you don't apply that credit to a bounty, then the creator gets to assign your bounty to a video idea that is being made. So I'd invite you to go check out GizmoSlip's bounty page, and if you have some great ideas of your own, be sure to submit them as well. So without further ado, let's see if the iPhone XR is in fact more durable than the XS. Here we go. Dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that flopped on the back really hard. Here it comes. Hits. Flops down. Oh! flops down onto the other bezel, so maybe it's okay. That was a pretty hard impact though. Let's go check it out. The back is actually just fine. I thought based on how it initially landed that the back was gonna be cracked. Everything seems to be working like normal. Let's go ahead and go for drop number 6. Dropping it on the side this time in 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Here it comes. Hits top right, bounces top left. Did I see glass or is that just water fling up? It's hard to tell. I think the screen's okay. It's really hard to tell. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Still okay. What? You can tell it's been hit on the glass a couple times now. Little nicks in the glass, but they're okay. They're not like full-on shatters or anything. I gotta say this aluminum siding is getting dinged up a lot. It's really not surviving as well as the stainless steel of the iPhone XS. The glass is doing better. We're now 6 drops in without breaking, so I'd say that's a big win for the XR. The XS broke on drop number 5. Drop number 7, dropping it on the right side this time in 3, 2, 1. Whew. Here comes that XR, hitting that right side, bam, bam. Whoa, is that glass? Dirt? That's a lot of debris coming up there. Might be looking at a shattered screen. Probably not, probably just water and dust and rocks, I don't know. Not sure if that guy's shattered, let's go take a look. Ooh, do we have a nick in the glass? It looks like the glass is partially cracked right there, but because I can't feel it, I'm not gonna count that. Let's go ahead and flip it over. The iPhone XR is still alive, 7 drops in. Of course, the aluminum taking a lot of damage, but the glass so far has been protected. That is very impressive. Let's go ahead and go for drop number 8. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that sounded like glass hit. Don't know if it shattered though. Okay, here's that XR. Hits almost perfectly flat on the top. Spins, hits the bezel again. Keeps whipping around. It's really hitting that bezel a lot. Maybe the XR is just getting lucky? I don't know. That's pretty impressive to me that it's still alive after 8 drops. Still alive. Very much damaged on the edge though. But the cracks are still okay. Let's go ahead and try dropping it on the back and then the front for drop 9 and 10. All right, moment of truth on a direct back glass impact. Will it survive? In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Not direct back of glass. Okay, here it comes. It actually ends up hitting the side bezels primarily on impact. We'll have to go for the back glass again. Going for the backdrop once again in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a direct back glass impact. Holy crap. Okay, as you can see, it's a direct back glass hit. It doesn't even bounce up, so that's a really bad sign. Let's see if that glass is alive. Okay, did the back glass survive? No freaking way! A direct back glass impact, and also the camera lens is still okay. How is this still going? Let's see if it does as well on the front glass. If this thing survives the face down drop, it's gonna blow my freaking mind. In 3, 2, 1. Yikes, that was a direct glass impact. Okay, here it comes, face down hit and smack! Right on the glass. I don't see any glass fragments. Did it survive? That is ridiculous. The iPhone XR is actually blowing my mind right now. This is insane. Flipping it over. What? You can see right on the glass where it took the impact. Right here, there's like dust and a little bit of scratching on the glass. Right here, there's some dust and scratching on the glass, but the glass is not cracked. That is freaking insane. I can't believe it survived so long. Let's go ahead and try a higher face down drop and see if we can break the glass somehow. This is gonna be above my head, so like 6'5" is how high I'm holding this phone. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1. Hit on the side, not the face, but we'll drop it again to get the face if it survives. Here we are. So it actually landed directly on the side. Whoa, did I see glass? It looked like something might have shattered actually on a side impact. I don't know. That might have just been the water, but that was definitely a shot of something. Let's go check out that phone. It's probably just fine. This thing is a freaking tank. Okay. And no broken glass. Let's see if we can get a face down drop from 6'5". In 3, 2, 1. What is it gonna take to break this phone? As far as I can tell, it's not broken again. Here it comes. Hits. Direct impact on the glass from 6.5 feet up. It's flipping up. You can see the reflections of the lights. Water vapor. Zooming around. Flips around and the glass still looks uncracked. This is really blowing my mind right now. There's no way this is the same glass as the glass on the iPhone XS that broke on just 5 drops in. Check it out. Is it shattered yet? No, but you can see where it impacted. All these little marks right here. You can see where it impacted the driveway, and yet no damage to the glass has occurred. It has not shattered. The display is still functioning like normal. The back is also still pristine. That's amazing. Let's see if we can go for 2 face downs in a row from 6.5 feet. In 3, 2, 1. Jeez! This should be an entertaining slow-mo. Hits, slams on the glass, bounces back up. Does it go completely out of screen? It might go completely out of the screen. Bounces completely out of the phantom shot. That is ridiculous. That is a lot of force being applied to that glass, and yet, I don't think it's shattered. Here it is. Look at that guy. You can see that it impacted right there, bounced around, hit around. How did they engineer this glass differently? I mean, there's this rubber edge around the XR. Maybe that is the key. I just can't believe it hasn't shattered yet. Absolutely insane. Let's go for another drop. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The volume button looks like it's being depressed right now. Here it comes, hits the side. You see it nails that volume button. The volume down button is actually being continually depressed on the phone right now. Bounces out really far. That's a big bounce out. Let's go see if the glass is still okay. It landed directly on the button. You can see the button's actually locked in the down position. This is probably fixable. If you had a little tool, you might be able to dig the button back out. With this being depressed, we can't actually turn the phone off, because it wants to turn the whole phone off when you hold it down. Like it begins the power off cycle. I feel like I've got to like carve away the metal that's holding it down, which may not be possible with an X-Acto knife. Oh man. This is the first time I've ever had an Apple iPhone survive this many drops, and it didn't even die because the glass shattered. It died because of the freaking button. We're gonna go ahead and smash the crap out of this thing in a second, but first we need to thank our sponsor, Bounty. Since the button is preventing it from working, this is considered a failure. We're gonna go ahead and smash it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, finally. Jeez. This is some freaking slow motion. Hits flat on the top, could crunch all the way in to the glass. Is the glass on the front actually still okay? Just the back glass shattered? Am I seeing that right? No freaking way. Let's go check out this phone. The back is clearly shattered like crazy, but the front, oh, there goes the front. Oh, thank goodness. I was afraid it wasn't gonna break. Just kidding. It's still kind of functional. Like you can tell the apps in the background are still working. What? That is really funky. This is definitely different glass than on the XS, because the way it fragmented, the XS didn't fragment like this and just come off in pieces. Let's go for a smash number 2 and see if we can completely get this thing turned off. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, that was great. It's still on. You ready for a satisfying smash? And kaboom! Oh, so much glass, so much frame bending, and yet the freaking screen is still on. Apple has done a really good job of making the internals so durable that they can survive smashes like this. It's insane. It's still semi-functional. How? What does it take to kill one of these XRs, man? We gotta slam it again, dude. See if we can fully kill this iPhone. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's still on. Here comes the iPhone for smash number 3, and kaboom! Whoa, the frame bend just like shifts sideways completely. Oh, and the light glare coming off of it, that looks super sick. We're in the same position. It's still functional on the inside. That is amazing. How is the bottom half of the screen still working like that? The processors and the battery, it's all functional on the inside still. Smash number 4. Can we kill the XR? In 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was a lot of glass. Beautiful backlit. That thing is just looking freaking gorgeous. Hitting on the corner with the iPhone camera bump. Boom! Oh, the frame bending is just mind-blowing at this point. The phone is just coming apart. Glass and shards going literally everywhere, just covering my driveway right now. This is bad. Is the iPhone actually turned off? Finally! 15 drops and 4 smashes. That's what it takes to kill an iPhone XR. This rubber bezel thing right here is probably one of the main reasons why the glass is so durable. It just helps absorb that shock. On top of the glass obviously being thicker and more beefy than the iPhone XS, this thing sure took a beating. Smash number 5 for funsies. 3, 2. Okay, that's probably gonna be a good one. Here comes the XR. Last smash, and kaboom! Oh my God, the deforming. The chunks just going everywhere. Oh, that is a beautiful thing. Battery. The battery is finally smoking. It actually was smoking a lot. Dang. Well, we're smashing the top of the battery, and that's why. I am freaking blown away at how long it took to actually completely decimate this iPhone XR. The XS survived quite a few smashes, but this one definitely outlived the XS in both smashing and regular drops. iPhone XR is definitely the king when it comes to durability among iPhones. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, hit the thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon, out.